I didn't change my life overnight. I didn't get lucky. I didn't suddenly become motivated. I just did these small habits every single day. And slowly, everything changed. Not instantly, but permanently. I woke up at the same time. Not early, just consistent. My mind stopped feeling chaotic. I stopped checking my phone first thing. No notifications, no comparisons. I gave my mind peace before noise. I made my bed. Small habit, big signal. I told my brain, we're in control today. I drank water before anything else. Energy improved, focus improved. Simple but powerful. I planned one main task. Not a long list, just one priority. Progress replaced stress. I worked before consuming. I created before scrolling. I focused before entertainment. This changed everything. I studied or learned daily. Even 20 minutes. Consistency beat motivation. I moved my body. Not intense, just daily. Movement cleared my mind. I stopped multitasking. One thing at a time. Quality replaced chaos. I spoke less, observed more. I saved energy. I gained clarity. I avoided negative people. Not angrily, quietly. Peace became my priority. I stopped complaining. No excuses, no victim mindset. Responsibility gave me power. I tracked my habits. What gets tracked improves. Awareness created discipline. I read a few pages daily, not to impress, to grow. My thinking leveled up. I ate at similar times. Energy stabilized, mood improved, body and mind aligned. I reduced junk content. Less drama, less noise. Mental clarity returned. I reflected at night. What went right? What can improve? Growth became intentional. I slept at a fixed time. Sleep became a weapon, not a weakness. I forgave myself. No self-hate, no guilt loops. Progress needs kindness. I repeated everything, even on bad days, especially on bad days. That's where discipline is built. Final message. These habits aren't magic. They're boring. But boring habits create extraordinary lives. You don't need motivation. You need repetition. Do small things daily, and one day you'll wake up in a completely different life.